Hi, Namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu, and welcome to another interesting and informative session. So, what is this session about? Everyone can see, right? Title? Huh. But before getting into the session, I have a question for you people. Do you know these people? Do you recognize them? Who are they? If you know, very good. If you don't, if you didn't know, then stay till the end of the session and let me know in the comment section, ma'am, I knew it before I watched the video, or ma'am, thank you ma'am, I got to know about them after the video, after watching the video. So let me know in the comment section. And who are these people? Why have I included their picture? I'll let you know. Okay, so know everything on the Nobel Prize. So we won't be only talking about chemistry field, we'll be talking about the Nobel Prize winners of all the fields today. So why? If that is the question, first thing, we are all studying science, right? And being science lovers, it is very much important for us to celebrate these people who have done amazing things in their field, right? Maybe it's peace or literature, so which adds the beauty to our lives, right? And science. So it is very much important for us to know about them and to celebrate these people. So that is the reason we have come up with this video. I'm sure you'll also enjoy it. Okay, now before that, I'll take very less time. So if you want to take up the pro subscription and want to attend all the live sessions, the link is available in the description. And everyone loves discount, hai na? Go ask your moms, they do love discount. So do I. Use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount from my side. Okay, and if you want to join us on Telegram also, the link is available in the description too. And if you have any questions, if you want to know something about me, so very soon we'll be having Ask Me Anything. So the Google form is available in the description. Do let me know what are you curious about. If you have any questions which you want to ask me, go ahead and let me know in the Google form. Okay, so let us start. So what is this Nobel Prize? So we all know, right? It's a huge thing. So what happened? Alfred Nobel, who is he? So he was a Swedish chemist, so who invented dynamite, and he was a very successful scientist as well as a businessman, so which made him super wealthy. But he was not married, he didn't have children. So when he died, when people opened his will, so whatever the assets, the remaining assets, he said, so it will be given to those during the preceding year have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. So it is something like, fellowship among countries. Okay, but Nobel Prize is not one prize, so it is given in different fields. What are those fields? Physics, medicine or physiology, chemistry, peace, literature. But in the year 1968, Sweden Central Bank, they added economics also, but we call it as Nobel Memorial Prize, not Nobel Prize. And moving on to this year, who won the Nobel Prize in their fields? Let us see. The first is Nobel Prize in Physics 2020. So it has been awarded to Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez. So for what? So Roger Penrose, he discovered that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity, and the other two, that is Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez, so for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of a galaxy. So that is the reason, see, it is price share, it is half, and for these two, the remaining share. And chemistry, I am super happy this year, especially this year, because firstly Nobel Prize in chemistry field and two women, so they won this Nobel Prize in chemistry. So Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. So why? So they developed the method for genome editing. So it's all about the coding, right? So this is basically the DNA, and you might be knowing ammonia, and amino acids. What am I saying? It's not ammonia. Amino acids, there are many amino acids, and whenever the order of them will lead to different proteins, and DNA is basically a protein. So genetic scissors, a tool for rewriting the code of life. This is what they have developed, and for their such nice development. So they have been awarded with a Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 2020. Okay, so in physiology, it is to Howard J. Alter, Michael Horton, and Charles M. Rice. Why? So they have discovered hepatitis C virus. So thanks to their discovery, that is, so you have to know what you're fighting against, right? So the highly sensitive blood test for the virus is available now, and which has led to eliminate the post transfusion hepatitis in the world, and which is helping us to improve the global health. So you might be seeing here maximum 3 members are there. So that is one of the rule, that the Nobel Prize cannot be awarded to more than 3 people. Of course it can be awarded to an organization, but individually maximum of 3 people in one field. Okay, physiology, medicine, these 3 people. And in literature, it has been awarded to Louise Glück. So she is a poet, and obviously poetry and the stories, it will give you a break from the reality. It will really add the beauty to your life. That's what I believe in. I tend to read a lot, and recently I have gotten into poetry, but I have never read her work. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to. So the Nobel Prize in Literature for 2020 is awarded to the American poet Louise Glück. Okay, and Nobel Peace Prize. So it's not awarded to a person, but rather to a organization called as the World Food Program, WFP. So what do they do is, so they work towards eradicating or eliminating the world hunger and promoting food security. Can you believe that they are assisting almost 100 million people in 88 countries who are victims of acute food insecurity and hunger? So we are very much privileged. Our parents force us to have 3 meals a day, like eat, but there are people who are struggling to get 1 meal a day. So we are really glad that there are good people around us who are working towards all these problems. So the World Food Program is such organization, and they truly deserve this Nobel Peace Prize. So again, okay. So and in economic science, so what they both have done is Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson. So they have tried to improve the auction theory, and they have invented new auction formats. So for their invention, so they have been awarded the Nobel Prize 2020 in the field of economics. Yes, so this is about the Nobel Prize in 2020. So of course the chemistry field made me happy. So as this is a chemistry channel, I'll be really happy if anyone wants, even if you are dreaming to have to win Nobel Prize one day, and even if you don't, it's fine, as long as you enjoy science, and as long as you want to learn something new, because the whole purpose of this channel is to make sure that every student is enjoying science. We just don't want you to just cover the whole syllabus and score good marks. We want to show you that the science is fun and it's interesting, and people they dedicate their whole lives towards science, and so let's start enjoying it and having fun. Okay, so thank you so much. Till now it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. You know what to do. Keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedantu, and check the description if you want to take up the pro subscription. Visit the link given in the description box, choose your grade board and click on the get subscription, and the coupon code is SURPRO. It is for additional 20% discount. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And was it informative? Did you know all this before, or did you get to learn something new today? Just let me know in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, so you can always reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com. Thank you so much. Do like and share this video so that your friends and family can also know about these people. Let's celebrate them together. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.